Good morning, everyone. Well, we are getting a cold front this afternoon, but fortunately, this one is not going to be a strong one, so we don't have any big changes in the weather to talk about. But there are going to be some small changes, so let's talk about those small changes now. Let's start with 8 a.m. this morning. Going to be completely dry in the area. Looks like the isolated snow showers are going to be staying to our north. But I do need to mention as early as about noon, so right around lunchtime, there could be a stray snow flurry or stray rain shower. That's a little dot of pink showing up in the northern part of the area is indicating, but I do think most of us are going to be dry. But I do need to mention the smallest of chances beginning around noon today. Notice already at noon we'll be sitting in the low to mid 40s. It looks like the front's going to be right over us in the Quad Cities right about 3-4 o'clock or so. But notice not bringing a lot of precipitation. Look at that little green dot showing up. So yes, throughout the afternoon with this front working over us, there is the possibility for some stray, most likely rain showers. But I do think there are definitely going to be folks missing out. So don't be surprised if you don't see any rain today, because I definitely think there could be some missing out. But I do need to mention the chance because a few could get a little bit of rain. Looks like by 8 o'clock, the precipitation chance temporarily going away, but notice how the cloud cover is still lingering. And notice how temperatures definitely have dropped at 8 o'clock, but actually it looks like things are going to level out because of all the cloud cover. It's not going to get really, really cold tonight, and also because it's not the strongest front. Do need to mention, starting late tonight, there is the possibility for some isolated snow showers around, nothing big, and there can be some that miss out, but it's a possibility. And there could even be a few stray flurries very early tomorrow morning. Got to mention the chance for the morning commute, but again, stressing that it's more likely that you will not see any flakes of snow flying around. 8 a.m. temperatures tomorrow, some in the upper 20s, others right around 30 degrees. And then tomorrow, we don't have another cold front working over us, but an area of low pressure. Really, actually, two different areas of low pressure, one to our south, one to our north, but neither going right over us. So we're in the in-between. So there is going to be a continued chance for precipitation, but not a very good chance for us. Notice, particularly in the afternoon tomorrow, I mentioned the chance for a few stray flurries in the morning, but I think the better chance is probably going to be ultimately mid-afternoon, it's looking like. But notice noon, a few green dots, but not much. Probably the best chance is going to be about 3-4 o'clock tomorrow, but notice there's really more to our south and more to our north, and we're in the in-between, so it looks like just isolated rain showers for tomorrow afternoon. And notice that tomorrow is not going to be much colder than today. Probably only going to see temperatures a degree or two colder compared to today. Both today and tomorrow, the winds are going to be about the same as well. We're looking at gusts around 15 miles per hour, so just a light breeze both days. And already it looks like by 8 o'clock tomorrow evening we'll be starting to dry out. So the best chance is going to be mid-afternoon tomorrow. Still mention the chance early tomorrow evening for a few stray showers before we completely dry out later Tuesday night.